If you're choosing your career in 2026, you need to hear this. Because something big is happening. Something your school might not tell you, and your relatives definitely don't understand. AI is quietly eating entire industries. But the twist is, some careers are dying while others are entering hypergrowth. Today, I'm going to show you how to pick the careers that won't get wiped out, also called anti-automation careers. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to choose after 12th or graduation. Alright, let's start. Here's something shocking. Most students still pick careers the way people did in 2005. But the job market of 2026 isn't the same planet anymore. AI writes code, AI designs logos, AI handles customer support, AI drafts legal contracts, AI even analyzes financial reports. So if you're picking a career that can be reduced to repeatable tasks, you're choosing a career that won't survive. Harsh truth, but important. Here's the formula. The careers that survive are tech plus strategy plus human decision skills. Remember this because everything I tell you next is based on this formula. The first future-proof path, AI-augmented tech careers. Let me explain. A lot of people think AI will kill coding jobs. No, AI will kill average coding jobs, but it will create a massive demand for engineers who can work with AI, not compete against it. So the winning specializations are AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, data science, robotics, and automation. Why these? Because AI can't secure networks. AI can't ethically judge risks. AI can't take responsibility for failures. Humans still run the show. AI just becomes their assistant. The second future-proof path, safety, law, and human risk careers. Now listen carefully. The more AI grows, the more companies need people who can control AI. That means careers in business analytics, technology, law, policy and governance, digital forensics, compliance, and ethical AI. These roles cannot be automated because they require judgment, and judgment is a human monopoly. The most powerful future choice, management plus tech. This is the part most students miss. Management alone, losing power. Tech alone, becoming crowded. But management plus tech, that combination is exploding. Think of specializations like MBA in business analytics, MBA in digital marketing, MBA in logistics and supply chain, MBA in IT management, MBA in international business, MBA in finance with analytics. These roles require decision strategy, and strategy is something AI can't do. If your goal is long-term leadership or high-growth companies, this is your lane. Why choosing the right college matters more than ever. Here's a psychological truth. Your specialization matters more than your degree name. Nobody cares if you did BBA. They care if you did BBA with business analytics. Nobody cares if you did MBA. They care if you did MBA with AI-powered skill sets. Your college must offer industry projects, live case studies, partnerships with companies, modern labs, updated curriculum, placement-ready training. If your college still teaches pre-2018 content, run, you deserve better. The mental model, planned obsolescence careers. Now let's talk about something deep. Industries know exactly which jobs will become irrelevant, and they quietly stop hiring for them 3 to 5 years before the job dies. This is called planned obsolescence. For example, traditional HR roles, manual finance operations, basic coding, old school marketing, simple data entry. These are disappearing. Meanwhile, the jobs replacing them are AI-assisted HR strategy, financial modeling with analytics, automation-supervised development, performance-driven digital marketing, AI-assisted operations. This is why choosing the right specialization is a survival strategy, not just a career choice. So, what should you do right now? Let's make it simple. If you're choosing after 12th, pick BTech or BBA with future tech or future management specializations. If you're choosing after graduation, pick MBA or PGDM with analytics, digital, tech-enabled or global market skills. And if you are confused, talk to someone who understands the current industry, not someone stuck in the 2000s. Final truth. A AI won't kill your career if you stay ahead. AI won't replace people. People using AI will replace people not using AI. Every industry is shifting, every company is evolving, and every student has two choices: adapt or get left behind. If you choose right today, you won't just survive AI, you'll lead it. If you want personalized guidance on which specialization fits you, just contact us. We'll help you choose smarter, not harder.